dog. Woof woof. It's okay. Look, are you okay? They're doggies. Go woof woof. Go woof woof.
You should set her down in the snow out here because it's so deep.
Yeah, go woof woof. Go woof 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 woof. Woof woof woof. Woof woof. They're doggies. They're doggies. Doggies go woof woof. You say woof woof? Yeah. Go woof woof. Go woof woof. Woof woof.
You should bring her back over here so she can't see the dogs and set her down.
Okay, you ready? Whoa! Wow! We're stuck in the snow!
Look how deep it is, Lily.
Step. Here, take a step. Come on.
This is
Come on.
Lily's first encounter with snow. What do you think, Lil?
You get stuck? Where?
You want to sit in the snow, be a little snow bunny?
Oh.
Hey, Lily. Lilybug.
Yeah, let's go, mommy. You want to build a little snowman? Look. We can build a little snowman. It's so wet.